And welcome back to Everyman RV. Dave Erickson here at Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake, Washington, which is about a mile west of the Washington-Idaho border. Brett's has multiple locations throughout Washington, Idaho, and Montana, selling everything from travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, motorhomes, boats, and cargo trailers. You can see their new and used inventory right now at brettsrv.com. In the meantime, here's today's feature presentation.
Hey, it's Ed here from Brett's RV and Marine. And today I want to talk about the Heartland 27.2 Corterra bunkhouse. This is a great model. Families, you know, you're upgrading maybe your second trailer or maybe even your first, but this is going to give you everything you want. You got solar already on it, so you're going to keep your batteries charged the entire time as you're camping. But what's really awesome is auto leveling. You don't see many trailers out there of this size that has auto leveling. Hey, here in the back, look at this storage. Everything is convenient. You got all your storage right here, all of your hookups. You got your power, your water, everything right here. Really convenient. But here's what's great for you guys that are traveling with kayaks, e-bikes, everything that the kids are going to want. You can just put everything right here. Bunk lifts up. Gives you a lot of storage. This is what's great, is you have a whole family out there camping. You don't want them traipsing through your entire RV. They can go right in here, go to the bathroom, and not get anything else dirty, and it's closed off from the rest of the cabin. One of the things that's great is on-demand hot water. Not many RVs of this size, especially in a trailer format, have on-demand. So if you're in a park, take a shower as long as you want. You come back from the beach, there you go. Hey, now that we're inside, I want to show you this. This is so amazing. And look at this. Fits right there. So your cutting board is also your drain board. 12-volt refrigerator. And why is that important? You're not draining your propane. And it's bigger. Now, this is the must-have if you have kids. You got two oversized bunks. No matter how big they get, they're going to be able to sleep right there. And remember, I told you about this from the outside. Look at that. Great family RV, as I said before. Here's your dinette. Folds into another sleeping area. You got a jackknife sofa here that's going to fold out and sleep other kids, because you know your kids are going to want to bring other friends with them. So then we have TV, storage, everything. I mean, it's all right here. Hey, the other thing I want to show you guys is this amazing bedroom for the parents. I mean, they're the ones that are gonna sleep in here, and they have lots of storage on each side. But here's what's so nice. Everybody has storage under the bed, but not everybody has bins, so you can easily pull them out. Then, most important, this already has solar on it, but these outlets are on an inverter, so they can be used without you being plugged in. So if you have a CPAP or other devices you want to plug in, they're ready to go. Hey, thanks for joining me on this video tour today on the Corterra 27-foot bunkhouse. This is family ready, and it will take you to all of your adventures. Come and ask for Ed, and I'll take great care of you.
Just another example of the cool stuff they have here at Brett's RV and Marine. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman RV. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.